following demands. Number 8, appointment of regular vice chancellor, registrar, controller of examination, finance officer, including both teaching, assistant professor, associate professor, and professor, and non-teaching staff members. It is learned from the news that Sri T.N. Kumar Singh, Honorable Education Minister Manipur, have already taken up for filling up of the required staff for teaching and non-teaching. We, the DMCEA members, welcome the initiative, and it will be done within 1 or 2 days. The most important point is to exist and receive grant from the central government, the University Grant Commission, US 12B of UGC Amendment Act 1972 by fulfilling the prescribed criteria. The fear now is that the students who are undergoing undergraduate courses in different subjects may lose their academic career due to non-conduct of examination in time. This should be the priority. The delay in the process may hamper their careers. In this regard, the Registrar of DM University has written a letter by number 6/1/2018 DMU dated 11/7/2024 to the Registrar of University, Kanchipur, for consideration of admission to master's program in respect of students of DM University informed on the ground of the 5th and 6th semester examination has been delayed. As a result, students of DM University are unable to produce complete mark sheets for admission required for admission in master's degree. Timely seeking of academic council, syndicate and board management are also very important. Autonomy of DM University under UGC Act is very essential. Protection of land area of DM University is very important from encroachers and illegal occupancy, and infrastructure for existence of alumni to the campus is required for future generation of the university. Development of all necessary infrastructure of an university is required immediately. Thank you, my friends.
Apaba University of Mumbai I went Lingi IFC Association Magini from Germany. Awang for Magida, the Barta, the College I got come. Manipuda labor, which are so sang from Mug, how you pronounce it, the College the Martini, was you present CM for the Honorable City Bide for the College Alumni Saturday, and the Hokiba. Chief Minister and we member City Bobby for the University Saturday. So I think like Hangam so many almost all the entire administration Labor Manipur Labor Hungary, which is like the Hungary, a top of Hungary, and a Hungary point appoint basically Lamjilla Kupsala later areas demarcation to Bungam the Lake. She quite take a demarcation to view high happening. Sakala University Matom Bromal Ingegate, Sakagi University, Manipur Government, Manipur Matom Leba, University of Manipur Simkanga, like Gaitadi, Campus Pazan Leba, Adana Hostel Leba, debating perception from Lake Lay. Adu in the Mutadi, Manipur Government, Barsakana, Atoptapa, funding is in the city. Saying we maintain of the city below the Yai. Adu low the Ba, Maruipa, Maramchiga today. University assn fulfill of Dramina, Kaimata fulfill of Dramina, application Tapsu Yatre and Topsu Yatre. Aduna, upon a Pakalisha, Mang Hira, Mochi.